Hello learners, welcome to TryRite. Today we will be learning about setting up the development kit JDK, Java Development Kit. What is JDK? Java Development Kit. Java Development Kit is actually development environment used for developing Java applications. It includes JRE, the runtime environment, and the compiler that JavaC compiler that converts Java files to .class files. And tools like Java Doc, jars, and debugger. Without JDK, we can't write or compile Java programs. Now coming on to this, we have the different. Now coming on to this, we have different steps to download and install the JDK. Firstly, we have to go to the Oracle website and open Oracle JDK or Open JDK. Now choose the correct version. Like if you want to choose 17 or 21st, which are mostly recommended. As 17 we can choose because it's has been widely used till now. Now join now JDK 21, which is the latest one, but most of the people don't know about it. Most of the people don't work on it because JDK 17 is currently being used and is highly influential. Download the appropriate installer for your operating systems. Comparable to the different operating systems, you have to download different installers for your OS. Now run the installer because installer helps us in running the different JDKs. Now following the setup instructions, follow the setup instructions and follow the default install path written here, like this, like the way, yeah, this one here, yeah, here. Now moving further, first first your first Java program. In your first Java program, you will write a program. You will suppose for creating a hello world.java. This is our first program. Now if we will make this class hello world as our own class, main class, name of the class, whose first letter should be in capital letter. Yeah. Follows the Java main method line, public static void main, string, open close, square braces, and args. Then close the parenthesis. Now here it stands for access modifier. Static is a keyword which states that the methods or anything that belongs to the Java that does not require any reference to that. And void, it doesn't mean it does not have any return type. Void doesn't mean it means that this program doesn't have any return type. And main, this is the name of Java main method. And string, open close square braces, args. This means that this arguments contains string type variables which we will pass while running the program. Now finally comes the system.out.println. This is the system printing line which is for input output console. And hello world, which is written between double quotes followed by exclamation mark, which is also written between the double quotes only. So these lines will be printed. Yeah. Now coming further, now compilation with JDK. After we have run this program, we have to run the program. When we run this program, the compilation takes place. The Java compiles the origin program .java files to .class files. Yeah, .class files, which is the bytecode. .class file, which is the bytecode. Now when we run this program, the Java hello world, and finally get when we run this program Java hello world, the program which we have written, and finally get the output like this. This one is the claim of the class. See, Java hello world is the name of the class, and Java hello Java developer. This is the output which we are getting as output. The name of the class, and the output. Both are different, but are executed and are showing the program output.